Here's a quick, easy, no-mess green bean salad that you can chill and serve anytime. Let's start! So let's cut the string beans into bite size. This depends on how short or how long you would like to eat it. Mine is around an inch. Then, in a basin, put water and a little salt to wash your cut string beans. Boil water enough to submerge the string beans. Once your water is boiling, put your strained string beans into it. Cook for a little over a minute. This will depend on your string beans. Some string beans may cook easily, but some tougher ones may need more time. But most likely, this will not go over 2 minutes. Try to avoid overcooking your string beans so it doesn't become too soft and soggy. Once cooked, use a strainer to drain out the hot water. Then let's prepare the other ingredients. Garbanzos, extra virgin olive oil, and chili flakes or chili powder is what I normally use. You can add chopped garlic if you like. Add just enough oil to coat the string beans and garbanzos. For garbanzos, I usually buy ones with the least ingredients, like with water and salt only. When buying processed food, I had been checking the labels, giving extra attention to ingredients. I learned this when I started going on low-carb diet. After adding the garbanzos, olive oil, and chili, mix well and it's ready to serve. Chill and serve anytime. Mine would normally last for a few days in the ref until I finish it. In this channel, we share life ideas to enrich, enlighten, encourage, renew, and even entertain from life experiences, learnings, and discoveries. Why not journey with us and subscribe?